So let's talk about investments. So when you're thinking about investments in a Roth IRA or regular IRA, typically people put stocks and bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, index funds. That would be the most common. But that's not the only way and only thing you can invest in. You can set up what's called a self-directed IRA, and you can put things like real estate, precious metals, cryptocurrencies, things of that sort.
Yeah, we get this as like, well, what does a Roth IRA pay?
Right. Yeah, right, exactly. I went to my bank and they said they're paying 1%, so I don't want a Roth. They're no good.
Yeah, or my Roth IRA is no good because I've lost money in my Roth IRA. Just understand that the Roth or the IRA is just a shell. Then you can invest in basically anything that you want besides collectibles and insurance. Right? That's about it. So if you like CDs or if you like mutual funds or stocks, if you want to buy Amazon, right? Hit $2 trillion market value. Let's do that. You could do that inside these retirement accounts. So just understand that it's a shell that allows you to either take a tax deduction, let it grow tax deferred, and then when you pull the money out, it's taxable. Or you could avoid or disallow, or another word is just to don't take the deduction and then let it grow tax-free. So that would be a Roth. So it's the opportunity is endless. It's just really understanding the rules.
Yeah, and I think we get this question all the time: is should I own real estate in my IRA or my Roth IRA? In many cases, in most cases, we say that's not necessarily the best approach. There's a lot of reasons why. You have to take a required minimum distribution. You may not have cash to do it. There's no step up in basis when you pass away. You don't get depreciation deductions. So I'm not saying it's terrible. I'm just saying it's not necessarily the best.
Hey, and we got a special gift for you once again today. Go to yourmoneyyourwealth.com, click on that special offer because it gets confusing on what you qualify for. If you're self-employed, if you have a 401k through your employer. So we created a white paper for you. It's called 8 Types of IRAs. It's our special gift for you today. Go to yourmoneyyourwealth.com. 8 types of IRAs. You probably thought there was just one. Guess what? There's 8 of them. I didn't even know that.